regionally, if there's a certain way of saying it, I guess because everyone, it catches on. To the point na, if a local company were to release local slum books, they would already spell it as
they want to go by, what everybody
else.
calls.
Kasi somebody tweeted us nga na parang, isn't it supposed to be slam book? Yeah, we were discussing it earlier na it is a slam book, but here in the Philippines talaga, it's slum book.
It's kind of like, debut.
Yeah.
It's actually supposed to be debut. But nobody says debut here. It's always debut.
Punta kayo sa debut ko.
Diba? But it's weird.
Nagde-debut ako.
I mean, you run the risk of being called parang
snooty.
Snooty mo. Pero parang debut lang yun. Debut. Anyway, the other way around, just saying, I missed you guys. Long time no hear. Hello. Good morning.
Hello.
Albert Wesker also just saying, please greet my mama. Happy birthday. So happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Surges08 just saying, good morning. It's -11 here in Korea and all I see is white. Saya.
Wow.
Homer Sweet Home just saying, yung dinudugo ilong ko sa trabaho, kaka-English siguro. Happy Tuesday. Hello. And Kiko Monster was just saying, siguro kasi kids would do it during slumber parties, kaya naging slumbo.
Pwede rin.
Slumbo.
We're so no? Like si Surges08, Korea, si Kiko Monster nasa Japan. Very global.
I know.
Yeah, global. Oh, good morning as well to Jay Ryan who's tuned in.
Hello, good morning.
Tapos si Jay Ryan sa Marikina.
Oo,
diba? Global.
Alright, so let's do the top 10 adult slum book questions. And thank you to Homer Sweet Home for suggesting this. And also, thank you to everybody for making us trend number 2 in the Philippines.
Thank you.
Okay, let's start off with Paul Jeffrey. Adult, okay ganito gawin natin. I'll ask the question. Tapos, we have an option naman not to answer. Pero if we can, let's answer.
Sige, fine.
Diba? Parang like a slum book.
Alright.
So let's start off with Paul Jeffrey.
Shadow akong nag-volunteer. Sige.
Adult slum book questions. Bukod sa masaktan sa pagmamahal, what is your greatest fear?
Wow.
Ipis.
Kabulate.
Ayun.
Failure.
Wow! Ay,
nako.
Ba't parang hugot? Grabe.
Ay, nako.
Are you serious though?
I guess so. I'm kind of like, I don't like making mistakes. I beat myself up for like small things. Like yesterday I made a mistake. And then I couldn't focus after because I couldn't get over it.
You know what I realized kasi? Like, if you beat yourself up.
Ano?
Huh?
Sige.
No, if you beat yourself up after each and every single failure, you'll end up beating yourself up a lot of times. And you just don't want that. Like,
so what? Are you a super failure?
So I beat myself up every day.
Ay, nako. Ewan ko sa'yo.
I do.
Hey,
it's not just failure that you beat yourself up over. Like, a bunch of things, like regret. Diba? So there's a lot of reason to beat yourself. But the moral of the story is that you shouldn't beat yourself up about everything.
Well, take your word for it.
Yeah. Sometimes it's good to beat yourself up